A bird in the sky is as free as it can be. The sun blankets me with its warm glow as I sit thinking. Across from me, a robin, gray and red, is fluttering around. I can't tell much, only that the tiny bird looks so carefree as it wanders and waits. It stares at me with its beady black bird eyes as I stare at it with my human eyes, pondering what the other is thinking. My back tightens without any support as I sit on the rough, hard surface of the rock, while it's sitting in the soft, cool grass. The wind blows, cooling my skin and the bird, and time stops. For a moment, there is peace. The bird flies with the wind, darts straight above my head, and I jerk my head back, hoping to catch a glimpse of it in the endless blue. And as I stare up into the sky, my hand reached my face, and my fingers were covered in a soft, milky white. And I knew what the bird wanted me to do. Fingers covered in the creamy excrements of a cheesy bird soup, I leave the safety of my home. There's a saying that I heard: if a bird shits on you, you'll win the lotto. The little robin and I shared a bond when it unloaded its rectum-infused mushroom soup. I knew that when the winning numbers are literally none of what's on that paper, you lose. I lost.
Shit on for
I
nothing.
never really liked
What makes
birds.
you think
They seem so
you
free in
win
the air,
lotto?
pooping
There is
whenever,
a huge
but in the
chance
end,
that you
at
will
least it
lose.
didn't
Just
land in my
because
mouth.
a bird shits on your face does not mean you'd win the lotto.